pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. Write the general form of a linear equations in two variables. General form. What is the general form of a linear equation? Emma, look at here. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. This is the standard form of a general form of a linear equations in two variables. Okay. The cost of 2 pence. This type of questions may ask you for exam. Okay. The cost of 2 pence and 5 pencils is 20 rupees. The cost of 2 pence and 5 pencils is 20 rupees. Then express the data in the given in the linear equation. Then let us assume that here you have to keep pence is equal to x. The cost of pen is equal to x. The cost of pencil is equal to y. 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. They have purchased how many pens? 2 pens and 5 pencils. The total cost is 20 rupees. Total cost is 20 rupees. Okay. Then matching type. Two linear equations were given. Pair of linear equations were given. Then this is depending upon the solution, number of solutions. If it is a unique solution, if it is having no solution, if it is having infinity many solutions, then what is the formula? If it is having unique solution, unique solution means what? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay. If it is having no solution means parallel. That means the two lines were not coincided. Okay, parallel equation. Okay, then what is the formula for parallel equations? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. Then infinity many solutions. That means it is also called dependent equations or coincident equation. Coincident equation. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. Then what are the correct matching? Unique solution. B. One is with B. I think it is C and B are having. Then no solution. No solution means C. 2 is with C. Therefore, this is the correct choice. Then go with the third choice also. Third option also. Third matching also. 3. Infinity many solutions means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. Therefore, 1 is with B, 2 is with C, and 3 is with A. First we have to study and then go with the matching and then choose the correct choice. Okay. Write another linear equation which are parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 4. They have given one equation. We have to rewrite the given equation as which is parallel to the given equation. Which is parallel to given equation. 3x minus 2y plus 4. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Otherwise you may write 6x minus I am multiplying with 6. If I multiply with 6, then what happens? 18x minus 12y plus 4 is equal to 0. Don't multiply the same number with the constant also. Okay. Therefore, they multiplied with 2 only. X coordinate, x coefficient and y coefficient, and you may write the any number in the place of the C. Okay, 6x minus 4y plus 1. Okay, have understood, ma? Two types of questions may be asked. One is formulate the linear pair equation. Going to the shop and purchasing 2 pens and 5 pencils and the total cost and formulate the linear pair equation. And another is they have given one type of equation and you may have to write the parallel equation or coincident equation or having no solutions equation. Okay. Next, comparison. Comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equation consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent, what? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is what? 1 by 2. Minus 3 by minus 6 is what? 1 by 2. 8 by 9. But 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 and the constants ratio is not equal. Then what is the type of this equation, ma? Parallel. That means having no solution. That means the system of equations are having no solutions or no solution and inconsistency. Okay. Find the value of k for which the following equation have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. By keeping which value you may get the infinitely many solutions. Here it is having 4. Proportionately it is k. 5 for proportionately it is having 15. 3 proportionately with 9. Okay. That means infinitely many solutions means what, ma? Coincidence equation. Okay. That means what is the formula? A1 by 8 is equal to B1 by bt is equal to C1 by C2. 4 by k is equal to 5 by 15 is equal to 3 by 9. 4 by k is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Then we transpose what you get k value 12. If you give 12 in the place of k, what you get, ma? K is equal to 12. What you get? You get the infinitely many solutions equation. Okay, dependent equation. That means coincident equation you get. Okay. Draw the rough diagram of the pair of linear equations in two variables which are having a unique solution and infinitely many solutions. Unique solution. Unique solution means intersecting at which point, ma? At only one point. At only intersecting at only one point means it is having only one solution. Okay. Infinitely many solutions means the equation. Given equation is overlapping, coincident with the other equations. If you draw, okay, coincident. Okay, you cannot separate the equation one with another equation. Okay, this type of this is the rough diagram for coincident lines equation. Form the pair of linear equation for the following data. The larger of two supplementary. This type of question also asked frequently in the examination. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Okay, then linear equations. What is the linear pair, ma? Pair of linear equations. Okay, the following, the larger of two supplementary angles. Supplementary, what is the supplementary angle sum, ma? 180 degrees. So if you add the two angles, you get the 180 degrees. Then the two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, 180 degrees. Then what is the difference, ma? 80 degrees. X minus y is 80 degrees. X minus y is 80 degrees. There is the matter. Okay, assertion. The pair of linear equation, the pair of equations 3x minus 3y equal to 1, 3x plus y is equal to 7 are intersecting lines. Are intersecting lines. The pair of are, is it correct, ma? Intersecting line 2 by 3 is different from minus 3 by 1 is different from 1 by 7. All are having a1 by 8 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, the given two equations are which type of equations, ma? Which type of equation? Intersecting equation. Okay, having how many solutions? Unique solution. One solution, that is the unique solution. Are intersecting. Okay, and go for reasoning. Another statement. The pair of linear equations a1 by a2 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are intersecting. If they are intersecting, then what is the condition, ma? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Is it correct or not? Yes. Statement 1 is true and statement or statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Okay. Now choose the correct. Both A and R are true. Okay. And then even though first choice is correct, we have to check remaining options also. Keep in mind. Don't stop by encountering, by seeing this one is correct. Sometimes they may be asked another choice, another option is there. Option R is the correct reasoning of A. Then that is the answer. Okay. then you have to verify all the options given. Is it right, ma? Yes. Assertion, pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Is it right? If the pair of linear equations are having infinitely many solutions, then what is the rule, ma? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Assertion, pair of linear equations have no solution. No solution at all. Then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by 2. That means these are the parallel equations. Okay? Parallel equation. This is the coincident equation. Then choose the correct answer. What is the correct answer, ma? Both A1 and A2 are true. A1 and A2 are false. A1 is true, A2 is false. A1. Therefore, I am going with the option A. Is it right? Yes. Okay. These are the 10 important stop passes.